Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft error code that is being displayed in the screen. This error usually happens because of corrupted files, launcher issue, permission problem, or account sync error. First, just go ahead and completely restart your computer and try launching Minecraft once again, because temporary system glitches can sometimes trigger this error. Next, just go to the Minecraft launcher and click on your profile, and just go ahead and log out of your account and log back in, which this refreshes your login sessions. Also, make sure the Minecraft launcher is updated to the latest version. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for Minecraft launcher and go to the official website. And here, make sure it is updated to the latest version to make sure all the files are working correctly. Now run Minecraft Launcher as an administrator. So just go ahead and search for Minecraft Launcher in your Windows search bar and choose to run it as an administrator, so it has full permission to access system files. If the issue still continues, delete and reinstall Minecraft Launcher completely to remove any corrupted files. Finally, make sure your Windows system is fully updated. Since outdated system files can also cause this error, you can check this by pressing the Windows and a key on the keyboard. And once that you are in the settings, just go ahead and go to Windows Update. And here click on Check for Updates and check if your Windows is up to date. So the simple rule is corrupted launcher files or login issue usually causes this error, and reinstalling or relogging fixes it in most cases. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the error code by restarting, relogging into Microsoft account, updating or reinstalling the launcher, and updating Windows. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.